while I'm up here, David did ask me to say a little bit about the opportunities because it might involve other people in the room. There is an opportunity for anybody here who thinks, I would quite like to be qualified as a digital educator at level 4. If you're interested in doing that, we're just going to run through 3 or 4 slides briefly and say how you could be part of this. So first of all, the qualification would involve 92 guided learning hours. It wouldn't actually be 92 hours in a class. You do 24 hours over 4 formal days. So to do this, you clearly need support from your employer. They set you out for 4 days to come and do the core learning. The rest of it would be in your own time and working with colleagues. 60 hours of supported self-study you'd need, and some of that supported study is going to be, challenging. So there's a significant level of commitment, but it's doable. If you work it out over the 6 months, there'll be 24 hours and then there'll be bits and pieces to do evenings, weekends, whenever, or working with colleagues in the office. A lot of it you can do as part of your day job. Why would you want to do this? You're going to get upskilling because you're accessing all these people who know about interactive new technologies. You'll be able to work with other people in partnership, which is always positive. You'll gain a bit of academic credibility. If you think, well, I like the whole idea but don't have any qualification, at least you can say, well, I'm qualified at level 4 as a digital educator. It doesn't mean your IT skills have got to be level 4. It means you're thinking at level 4 about how education works and you're using digital as part of that. And when it says free CPD, there's a little caveat there. Yes, all of this, we're thinking we can fund this all except for the registration and certification. So if you wanted to sign up for it, certainly come and speak to me or some of my colleagues in the course of the day, but it would cost either you or your employer £85. And that would enable you, if you pass the course, to be qualified at level 4, which is probably as good enough as you're likely to get. Click on the next one there and see what, and give me a hint of what else. So the way it works, here's the practicalities. If you're interested, 4 days of training spread out over 6 months. Each day is learning about digital and then discussing together ways it can be used in your context. 4 assignments to complete. So the assignment work, one is about designing something you use with your learners. So just trialing something, designing it. One is about the way you're collaborating with colleagues and helping them to develop their digital skills. So this is where the role of whether people starts to have an impact. Third assignment is about designing learning packages like blended learning, where people can do them without a classroom context. And the last thing you do is about reflecting on the way you've developed yourself as a practitioner. So they're the elements of the programme. There's a bit of reading, there's some independent work, there's some commitment required. It would run from June to December. There's a minimum number required for the programme to run, so Tracy, Joanne, myself will be talking to people during the course of today, and then at some point through emails and chat we can make a decision. Is it doable? Have we got the level of commitment? It would be a great thing to share it with you if you're interested. I think that's everything. Thanks very much.